Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover logical, membership and assignment operators, and these three operators are game changer for you if you are a beginner in programming, because without learning these three operators you will not be able to move forward. So there are total 7 types of operator. Out of 7, like 3 I have covered in the previous video compared to this one, and today we'll cover 3, and in next video we'll finish the operator in Python. So let's start the coding and understand with practical example. We'll start from the scratch. So let's move on. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I have the VS Code Studio already open. Okay, and today we are going to start the session with the logical operator. See, today I'm going to cover 3 of them, as I told you in the starting of the video. So the first one is logical operator. Okay, so logical operator understanding is very essential for you to build. So for that, just understand that you have one variable A which has a value of true, then there is a variable B, value of false. So this is just for the calculation. Now we'll talk about the operators. So logical operators are of 3 type: AND operator, then you have OR operator and NOT operator. So many of us would have read it in their engineering also, and if you're not from that background, don't worry, I'll just make it clear to you. So AND operator will give you a true condition when both the conditions are true. So output will be true only when both the conditions are true. So that's why A and B, if you see the value of A is true, B is false. So when you say A and B, so output is coming false because both of them are not similar. It should be either both of them are true here or both of them are false. That means basically variable A and B should be having similar value. And how we can do that, to understand, if you assign a value to B equal to true, in this case if you mention this, okay, so this will give you a true condition instead of false. Now or basically checks if one of the two condition is true, it will give you a true in the output. What about NOT? NOT gives you the output. Actually, it reverses the value. Okay. So the value of A, you can see it's true. It says not true. So what is the reverse value of true? That is false. So these are the 3 type of logical operators. Okay. It's very easy. Now let's move on. Now talk about the assignment operator. Assignment, as the name also says, right? Name also pretty much defines that these are the assignment. So basically these operators help you to assign the value. If you see here, so I am assigning a value, that is x equal to 10. So basically this equal to is a assignment operator. Then add and assign. So basically this will add the value. Okay, once I'll print it so you'll understand. So x is 10. Now what this says, x plus equal to 5. So that means add 5 to this 10. So output is 15. Then subtraction. So if you subtract 3 from 15, the output is coming 12. Now there is a multiplication and then there is a division. So the same division will be keep on performing step by step. This will flow like this. First this will happen, then this will happen, then in the last this will be calculated. So this is pretty much easy, very easy guys. Now the third type of operator. So basically as of now, this is the most easiest one. Membership operator. What it is, it's check the membership of the element, whether that does belong to that particular list or not. That is the only concern here. So how this help? Let's say I have a list here with the name of fruits. In the list I have apple, I have banana, and then I have cherry. So what I'm printing, this is a message which I'm printing. After that, this apple in fruits, this in and not in. These are the membership operators. Simple. If the value do exist in the list, this in will say true. If you write, let's say mango here, so mango is not part of this list. Apple, banana and cherry. If you write mango in fruits, it will say false. And now it's a grape. So we are talking about the grapes. Okay. So grapes, are they part of the list? You can see the list, right? No, they are not part of the list. So that's why grape not in fruit, it is saying true. So these are the 3 operators which I wanted to cover for the day. And let me just give you a recap again. So in the last video, we spoke about arithmetic and comparison. Today we have started from logical operator, then we have spoken about assignment operator, and then the membership operator. And all this thing, like this whole code, everything you can download from the GitHub, okay? And this is there in a single workbook with the name of operator. So you can just go to the description box of the output videos which I would be posting very soon, and you can go back and download the file. You can execute it, whether you want to execute in the VS Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook. That's your call. Okay. Now on that note, I would be concluding today's video, and if you like the video, if you found it very helpful for yourself, so please make sure to like the video. Please share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That actually really motivates me. So I'll see you in the next video with the last set of operators in Python. All the best, guys. Thank you.